Welcome to Monaco, a playground for the rich and famous, nestled on the French Riviera. This gem of the Mediterranean is more than just a city-state, it's a lifestyle, a symbol of luxury and elegance that stands unrivaled. Begin your journey at the heart of Monaco, the Casino de Monte Carlo, an architectural marvel that has graced the city for over 150 years. It's not just a casino, it's a testament to the high stakes and high life that is synonymous with Monaco. Next, let's journey to the Prince's Palace, perched atop the Rocher, offering a panoramic view of this glamorous city. This is the official residence of the reigning Prince of Monaco, a symbol of 1,000 years of tradition and the heart of Monaco's royalty. A stone's throw away, you'll find the Monaco Yacht Club, a beacon for seafaring enthusiasts from around the world. Here, yachts of all sizes grace the harbor, each a testament to the opulence that defines Monaco. And what's luxury without a touch of high-end fashion? Stroll along the Avenue des Beaux-Arts, a haven for fashionistas. Here you'll find boutiques showcasing the latest collections from the world's most renowned designers, each display window a canvas of creativity and style. Monaco is a city where luxury cars are a common sight, a place where the roar of a sports car engine is just as familiar as the chirping of birds. Here, automobiles are not just vehicles, they're a lifestyle statement, a tangible testament to the affluence that Monaco is known for. In Monaco, every day is a celebration of the finer things in life. The city's streets exude a sense of elegance, and every corner you turn reveals another facet of its opulence. From the sparkling Mediterranean Sea to the meticulously maintained gardens, Monaco is an epitome of luxury, where every street corner exudes elegance and sophistication. In Monaco, the gastronomic experience is just as rich as its lifestyle. Here, every meal is a culinary adventure, inviting you to indulge in a symphony of flavors that paints a vivid tableau of the region's heritage and culture. Imagine sitting at a fine dining restaurant where the clink of glassware and the soft murmur of conversation provide the perfect backdrop to your meal. Each dish is a masterpiece, crafted with precision and showcasing the chef's exquisite skill. From the delicate flavors of freshly caught seafood drizzled in lemon-infused olive oil to the hearty richness of truffle-scented risottos, each bite is a testament to Monaco's culinary prowess. But the gastronomic journey does not end here. Let's take a stroll through the vibrant Condamine market. The air is filled with the aroma of fresh produce, from sun-ripened tomatoes to crisp, leafy greens. You'll find stalls brimming with local delicacies, their tantalizing scents wafting through the air. The market is a tapestry of colors and flavors, each stall a treasure trove of culinary delights. Perhaps you'll stop to sample a traditional barbagiouan, a savory pastry filled with Swiss chard and ricotta, or maybe you'll be tempted by the sweet allure of fougasse, a delicate orange-flavored pastry. Whatever your choice, it's sure to be a delicious one. A culinary journey in Monaco is an indulgence for the senses. From the lavish spreads of a fine dining restaurant to the bustling energy of the Condamine market, Monaco offers a gastronomic experience like no other. Beyond the luxurious Monaco, lie charming destinations waiting to be discovered. Just a short journey away, the enchanting village of Ys beckons. Nestled high above the French Riviera, this medieval gem offers a serene contrast to the glitz of Monaco. Wandering through its narrow, cobbled streets, you'll be transported back to a time long past. Don't miss the exotic garden at the top where the panoramic view of the azure Mediterranean Sea will leave you breathless. But the adventure doesn't stop there. As we journey further, we reach the serene beaches of Cap d'Ail. This unsung treasure of the Riviera boasts of pristine sandy stretches that invite you to bask under the golden sun. The crystal clear waters are perfect for a refreshing dip or a leisurely paddleboard ride. Whether you choose to relax on the beach or explore the stunning coastal path, Cap d'Ail offers a tranquil retreat from the bustling Monaco. Indeed, the beauty of Monaco extends far beyond its borders. These neighboring destinations provide a delightful escape, enriching your Monaco experience with their unique charm and tranquility. While Monaco is known for its glitz and glamour, it also boasts of serene natural beauty. The Jardin Exotique, a botanical garden perched on a cliffside, overflows with diverse plant life from around the globe. It's a verdant oasis that offers a tranquil escape from the city's opulence. Equally enchanting is the Princess Grace Rose Garden, a tribute to the beloved princess and her love for roses. This fragrant sanctuary blooms with over 4,000 roses, creating a kaleidoscope of color and scent. But it's not just the gardens that captivate. The Mediterranean Sea, viewed from vantage points like the Tête de Chien, offers breathtaking panoramas that are nothing short of picture-perfect. The azure waters contrasted against the rugged coastline paint a mesmerizing picture of nature's grandeur. It's a sight that reminds us of the timeless beauty that exists beyond the man-made luxury. Monaco's natural beauty is a refreshing contrast to its glamorous image. Monaco is not just about luxury, it's also about thrilling experiences. Imagine the pulse-pounding excitement of the Monaco Grand Prix, a world-renowned event that draws in the elite from every corner of the globe. The roar of the engines, the blur of the cars speeding by, the collective gasp as drivers take daring overtakes, it's an adrenaline-fueled spectacle that's not to be missed. But if land-based thrills aren't your thing, how about venturing into the sparkling blue waters of the Mediterranean? Monaco offers a slew of water sports to satiate your thirst for adventure. Whether it's jet skiing across the waves, diving into the vibrant underwater world, or sailing on a luxury yacht, there's no shortage of aquatic fun. And let's not forget about the pristine Larvado Beach. Nestled between the towering skyscrapers and the sea, it's an oasis of tranquility amidst the city's hustle and bustle. Whether you're looking to soak up the sun, take a refreshing dip, or engage in a friendly beach volleyball match, Larvado Beach provides a perfect setting. In Monaco, thrilling experiences are just around the corner. From high-octane car races to serene beach outings, the city offers a diverse array of activities that cater to all tastes. So buckle up, dive in, or simply relax. Whatever your choice, Monaco is sure to leave you with unforgettable memories. As the sun sets, Monaco's glamorous nightlife comes alive. The city, famous for its scintillating allure, transforms into a playground for the world's elite. As twilight descends, the stars begin to twinkle, both in the sky and on the ground. Monaco's nightlife vibrates with an energy that's both elegant and exhilarating. The city's streets buzz with the chatter of sophisticated socialites, the clink of crystal champagne glasses, and the soft whispers of luxury. The night air is filled with anticipation as the city's most glamorous venues open their doors for the evening's festivities. The crown jewel of Monaco's nightlife is, of course, its glamorous casinos. As the night deepens, the Casino de Monte Carlo comes alive. This isn't your typical casino experience. It's a world of elegance and opulence where high stakes meet high style. Here, fortunes are won and lost on the roll of a dice or the spin of a roulette wheel. But it's not just about the money, it's about the thrill, the drama, the high of the game. It's about experiencing the extraordinary. Monaco's nightlife is as dazzling as its days. Amidst the glamour, Monaco has its own unique charm. The daily rhythm of life here is a dance, filled with traditions like the changing of the guard ceremony, a solemn march that carries the weight of centuries. The vibrant local culture is a living testament to the principality's rich history, unobtrusively tucked away in the narrow lanes and bustling markets. It's a fascinating blend of the opulent and the ordinary. Behind the glitz and glamour, Monaco has a rich culture waiting to be discovered. Our journey in Monaco comes to an end, but the memories will last a lifetime. From the grandeur of the Casino de Monte Carlo to the serenity of the Princess Grace Rose Garden, each moment was a testament to the extraordinary. The culinary delights, the thrilling events, the glamorous nightlife, all part of a symphony of luxury and allure. But remember, the world is vast and full of wonders. Let Monaco be your inspiration to seek out your own dream destinations. Monaco is a dream that comes to life, a destination that inspires to explore the extraordinary. Thank you for joining us on this luxurious journey. As we bid adieu to the enchanting allure of Monaco, let's take a moment to appreciate the captivating skyline that has been our backdrop. Here's to the unforgettable experiences, the sumptuous cuisines, the breathtaking views, and the glamour of the nightlife. These memories, intricately woven into the fabric of this opulent city, are a testament to the luxury lifestyle that awaits you. Until next time, keep exploring and live the luxury lifestyle.